Hey there, savvy travelers! Today we're diving into 15 travel items experienced flyers never pack, and why airlines love that you don't know this. Most of us pack like we're preparing for a deserted island survival mission, stuffing our bags with just-in-case items and bulky gear we'll never touch. Meanwhile, seasoned flyers breeze through airports with half-empty bags, knowing exactly what's worth the luggage space and what's just dead weight. Airlines actually profit when you overpack. Heavier bags mean baggage fees and all those essentials you're lugging around. They're often solving problems that don't exist. The travel industry wants you to believe you need all this stuff, but smart travelers have cracked the code. These 15 items might shock you. Some seem like absolute must-haves. But once you see why pros skip them, you'll never pack the same way again. Let's dive in. 15. Neck pillows, the comfort scam. Most travelers swear by neck pillows for long flights, but here's the secret airlines don't tell you. These bulky items are only useful for a few hours, yet they hog premium luggage space for your entire trip. You use it during takeoff, maybe nap mid-flight, then it's dead weight at your destination, eating up space that could hold days' worth of clothes. Pro tip: grab an inflatable version that packs flat, or roll up a scarf for the same comfort without the bulk. But here's where it gets really interesting. Experienced travelers have discovered something even better. 14. Guidebooks, heavy and outdated. Airlines love when you pack thick guidebooks because every ounce means potential fees. But smart travelers know your phone can hold dozens of guides without adding a gram to your luggage. Those Lonely Planet tomes weigh 1 to 2 pounds each. Pack a few, and you've used up serious carry-on weight before adding clothes. Pro tip: download digital versions on the Kindle app for searchable, up-to-date info that won't get ruined by spills. Think that's a space saver? Wait until you hear about the next bulky item. 13. Hair dryers. Hotel already has one. Here's an insider tip to free up massive luggage space. Nearly every hotel or Airbnb provides hair dryers, yet travelers still pack these heavy, awkward appliances just in case. They're space inefficient and barely used, while airlines smile at the extra weight. Pro tip: if you must have your specific dryer, ship it to your destination, often cheaper than baggage fees. What if I told you there's something even more valuable than luggage space you're wasting? 12. Excess cash, a thief's dream. Most travelers pack way too much cash, creating risk and missing better exchange rates. Airlines and airports profit from pricey currency exchanges, and tourists trap ATMs with outrageous fees. Carrying wads of cash makes you a pickpocket target and stresses you out every time you pay. Pro tip: use credit cards with no international fees and withdraw minimal cash from bank ATMs, declining dynamic currency conversion. But here's a technology most travelers overpay for by 300%. Number 11. International phone plans. You're overpaying. Airlines don't profit directly, but they love that you waste money on 10 to 15 daily phone plans instead of cheaper alternatives. Those fees add up to $70 to $150 plus per week. Money for another trip. Smart travelers use eSIM tech for unlimited data at a fraction of the cost. Pro tip: research eSIM providers before you go for plans cheaper than 2 days of roaming fees. Think that's a game changer? Wait for the next item 90% of travelers pack unnecessarily. 10. Towels. Already waiting at your hotel. Unless you're backpacking in remote areas, packing a towel is like bringing toilet paper to a 5-star hotel. Most accommodations provide towels, yet travelers waste luggage space on these bulky items. Pro tip: pack one compact microfiber towel max for specific activities. Otherwise, trust your hotel. What if I told you there's something even more pointless most travelers pack? 9. Luggage scales, one-time use. Luggage scales seem practical, but pros know a trick. Weigh your bag at home using your bathroom scale. Step on with it, then subtract your weight. Scales add bulk for a problem you face twice per trip. Pro tip: use your home scale before leaving and leave bag space for souvenirs. But here's where first-time international travelers make a huge mistake. 8. Hiking gear for city trips. Tourist trap. Nothing screams newbie like wearing hiking boots in Paris. Airlines love this because these heavy, bulky items are useless for urban trips. They make you a tourist target and take up huge luggage space. Pro tip: choose versatile, comfy walking shoes that work for sightseeing and dining out. If you've learned even one new thing so far, hit that like button. It helps other smart travelers discover these hidden packing secrets. And if you want more airline insider tips and travel hacks, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell. 7. Full-size toiletries, TSA bait. Airlines have strict 311 liquid rules, yet travelers pack full-size shampoo, risking TSA confiscation and wasting space. Most destinations have your brands, often cheaper than at home. Pro tip: use solid toiletries like shampoo bars to bypass liquid rules and prevent leaks. Think that's smart? The next item will change how you pack socks forever. 6. Cotton socks. Blisters guaranteed. Most travelers pack everyday cotton socks, not realizing travel means 10 times more walking. Cotton gets wet and smelly, causing blisters. Merino wool socks are odor-resistant and can be worn multiple days. Pro tip: pack 3 to 4 pairs of merino wool socks instead of 7+ cotton ones for less laundry. But here's the mistake adding the most unnecessary weight to your bag. 5. Too many clothes. Wardrobe weight. The biggest space waster isn't one item, it's packing a new outfit for every day. Airlines love the checked bag fees this causes. Pros use a capsule wardrobe. 5 to 6 versatile pieces for 15+ looks. Pro tip: pack coordinated, wrinkle-resistant items you can wash and rewear. What if I told you there's a psychological trap making you pack useless items? Number 4. What if items, fear-based packing. The worst packing mistake is the what-if mentality. What if it's cold? What if I need this? Airlines profit from this fear with heavier bags and fees. Reality check: your destination has stores for emergencies. Pro tip: pack only what you know you'll need. Solve what-ifs locally. But here's an item that seems essential but is completely useless. 3. Universal USB adapters. Bulky junk. Expensive universal adapters with USB ports seem smart, but pros know they're bulky and unreliable. USBs charge slowly, and if one part fails, it's trash. Simple country-specific adapters work better. Pro tip: buy cheap, reliable plug adapters for your destinations. Skip the fancy ones. Think that's surprising? The next item will shock you because it seems so practical. 2. Luggage locks. Security theater. TSA-approved locks give a false sense of security while adding hassle. Thieves open them in seconds and TSA can cut them off. They signal to crooks that you've got valuables inside. Pro tip: skip locks. Use plain luggage and never check irreplaceable items. But here's the most shocking item 95% of travelers pack unnecessarily. Number 1. Too many chargers. The heavy backup mistake. The top item pros stopped packing might surprise you. Multiple chargers and power banks for every device. Modern gadgets have great battery life, and charging spots are everywhere. Hotels, cafes, airports. That charger collection weighs 2 to 3 pounds for no reason. Pro tip: get one multi-port GAN charger for all devices. Ditch the extras. So, there you have it. 15 items airlines hope you'll keep packing because they add weight, take up space, and often lead to extra fees. The travel industry wants you to believe you need all this, but now you know better. Which of these items have you been packing unnecessarily? Have you found other essentials that turned out to be useless? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't miss our guide to 10 new AI travel scams targeting seniors in 2025. You'll learn even more ways to travel smarter and dodge costly traps. Like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, safe travels.